On the world culinary map, chestnuts shine like a precious gift from nature, popular and widely cultivated in many countries such as China, Italy, Spain, and Greece. Chestnuts are renowned for their sweet, rich flavor and their versatile ability to transform culinary artistry. Chestnuts not only captivate diners with their delicious flavor but also harbor abundant nutritional value. They can be crafted into various enticing dishes such as roasted chestnuts, refreshing chestnut drinks, or creamy chestnut fillings for pastries. Unlike many other types of fruits, chestnuts have a prolonged harvesting period, which can last up to 5 weeks. As autumn arrives, with its crisp air carrying the sweet aroma of chestnuts, it's also the ideal time to begin the harvesting and processing of chestnuts, offering diners delightful and nutritious treats. Many are familiar with the traditional method of harvesting chestnuts. Although it may be time-consuming to gather each nut by hand, this remains a common approach, allowing for careful selection of each chestnut to ensure the highest quality. However, with the advancement of technology, modern harvesting methods have emerged, utilizing machinery and specialized equipment to optimize efficiency and reduce harvesting time, meeting the growing demands of the market. Modern machinery can harvest debris, shrubs, ground cover, and dense grass and then efficiently proceed with the cleaning process. Harvesting technology for chestnuts is becoming increasingly advanced with the emergence of 2 main types of machines: vacuum harvesters and mechanical harvesters. Leading the way in this field are European countries with innovative inventions. These machines operate like smart robots, automatically harvesting and cleaning chestnuts and efficiently removing grass and debris. The standout feature of modern harvesters is their superior efficiency and functionality. They are equipped with optimized components, ensuring smooth and highly effective operation. However, the investment costs for these machines are quite high, making them inaccessible to many small-scale farmers and laborers. Comment number 1 to continue accompanying us on the fascinating journey of exploring chestnuts. The journey from chestnuts on the tree to the hands of those who enjoy them cannot overlook the meticulous and painstaking processing steps. The traditional method begins with cleaning the freshly harvested chestnuts, removing dirt and impurities. Then, depending on the intended use, the chestnuts will be processed by either removing or keeping the shells intact. After processing, the chestnuts are placed in an oven or roasted over a fire until they emit a fragrant aroma. This process transforms the chestnuts into crispy, sweet brown nuggets, exuding an irresistibly nutty flavor. Roasted chestnuts can be enjoyed as a delicious snack on their own or serve as an excellent ingredient for various enticing dishes. This traditional cooking method not only preserves the natural flavor of the chestnuts, but also creates unique dishes that delight diners. Have you had the chance to enjoy this delicious chestnut dish yet? In addition to traditional methods, modern technology is contributing to the advancement of the chestnut processing industry, bringing convenience and diversification to the production process. A highlight of modern chestnut processing is the automated pre-processing system, playing a crucial role in enhancing efficiency and saving time. Instead of human labor, modern automated machines take on the task of sorting and pre-processing chestnuts quickly and efficiently. At the processing plant, tons of chestnuts are transported along modern conveyor belts, undergoing thorough cleaning and pre-processing. Next, the chestnuts are fed into modern drying machines to undergo the drying process. Thanks to this process, chestnuts not only dry quickly and efficiently but also extend shelf life and maintain product quality optimally. Drying plays a crucial role in chestnut processing, helping preserve the natural flavor and characteristic crunchiness of chestnuts. The journey of chestnuts doesn't stop at being processed into ingredients, but continues to create a myriad of diverse and enticing byproducts. From smooth chestnut flour and rich chestnut paste to snacks like chestnut candy, creamy chestnut milk, or melting chocolate balls, each product offers a unique gustatory experience, arousing pleasure for the consumers. The closed-loop production process, from automated pre-processing to drying and processing into finished products, is carried out efficiently and advanced thanks to the support of modern machinery and technology. Chestnuts, the culinary queen, captivates every diner with its diversity and richness as an ingredient. Whether roasted fragrantly, ground into flour, crafted into a smooth paste, or featured in sweet candies, refreshing salads, or savory grilled dishes, chestnuts bring forth distinctive flavors that awaken all senses. Moreover, chestnuts harbor a wealth of nutrients, contributing to a healthy and balanced diet. Take a sip of refreshing tea, unwind, and comment number 1 to continue accompanying the exciting culinary journey of chestnuts. To fully savor the delicious flavor of chestnuts, let's embark on an exciting journey from tiny saplings to ripe fruits hanging on the branches. In Europe, chestnut cultivation is not only a significant agricultural sector but also brings high economic value. To successfully sow seeds for fruitful chestnut trees, choosing the right planting conditions is crucial. Soil serves as the foundation for the plant's growth. It's preferable to select clay or loamy soil with good drainage and moisture retention capabilities. The climate also plays a pivotal role. Chestnuts prefer a warm and moist environment, but they can also tolerate conditions with limited sunlight and water. The plants need at least 6-8 hours of sunlight exposure per day for optimal growth. Therefore, an area with a mild climate, not too cold in winter and not too hot in summer, would be ideal for robust chestnut tree development. Watering and fertilizing adequately are the keys to ensuring the healthy growth and high productivity of chestnut trees. Additionally, controlling weeds, pests, and harmful insects also plays a crucial role in protecting the trees and ensuring fruit quality. The distinctive feature of chestnuts compared to other common nuts is that they contain both protein and fat, but their main source of calories comes from carbohydrates. With 100 grams of fresh chestnuts, you'll receive about 200 calories of food energy, a surprisingly lower calorie content compared to walnuts, almonds, and other dried fruits.